Hello everyone. Now today we are going to learn about the gravitational force between light objects and heavy objects. Gravitational force between light objects and heavy objects. Gravitational force between light objects and heavy objects. Okay. Gravitational force between light objects and heavy objects. This is today's topic. Now, okay. So gravitational force between light objects and heavy objects. We know that what is a gravitational force? Gravitational force is force between two bodies. Force of attraction between two objects. So now, what is the mathematical expression? First, we should know the mathematical expression of gravitational force. So, gravitational force, F equals to G m1 m2 divided by r square. So, this is the mathematical expression of gravitational force. We know that what is the value of G? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per Newton meter square per kg square. So this is the value of gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now there are three cases for the objects, for the force between light objects and heavy objects. There are three cases. Now number one case, case 1, when two objects mass 1 kg each and 1 meter apart. Okay. So this is case 1. When two objects masses 1 kg each, means m1 m2 equals to 1 kg. Here m1 equals to m2 equals to 1 kg. Now r equals to 1 meter. Then what will be the gravitational force? So therefore, first we have to write the formula. F equals to G m1 m2 divided by r square. So F equals to, what is the value of G? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square into, what is the mass? 1 kg into 1 kg divided by r square is 1 meter square, because it is square. So 1 meter into 1 meter is 1 meter square. Now cancel meter square, kg square per kg square, kg cancel. These two cancel. So F equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton. So this is the force when the two masses are equal and they are in 1 meter apart. So this is case 1. Now case 2. In case 2, when a body of mass 1 kg on the surface of Earth, when a body of mass 1 kg, this is second case, when a body of mass 1 kg on surface of Earth. Second case, when a body of mass 1 kg 1 kg is held on the surface of earth. Surface of earth. Okay. 1 kg mass is held on the surface of earth. There are two masses. So one mass is this mass, 1 kg mass, and another mass is the mass of earth. So we can write m1 equals to 1 kg. So what is the mass of earth? Mass of earth is considered as m2. Mass of earth is m2, 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So this mass is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Now calculate the gravitational force. So distance is the radius of earth. So r equals to radius of earth. So radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Now this is the radius of earth. Now calculate the gravitational force. Therefore F equals to, formula is G m1 m2 divided by r square. So F equals to, what is the value of G? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square into, now m1 is 1 kg and next mass is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg divided by, r is 6.4, it is radius of earth, 10 to the power 6 meter whole square. Okay, now next step is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. So kg square, kg cancel. Now it is Newton meter square into 6 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 6.4 into 6.4. 6.4 into 6.4. Only we can write in this way: 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 into 2 is 12 meter square. So meter square also cancel. So F equals to 6.67 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now in case of multiplication, power will be at loss 24. Base is same, 10 to the power minus 11, 10 to the power 24 divided by 6.4 into 6.4. 6.4 into 6.4. 4 4 16, 4 6 24, 25, 6 4 24, 6 6 36, 38, 6 9 0 4. So this equals to 40.96. 40.96. This is in Newton. Force, unit of force is Newton. Okay, now multiply these two. 6 7 42, 6 7 42, 6 6 36, 40 and 6 6 36, 39 into 10 to the power 24 minus 11 is 13 divided by 40.96 into 10 to the power 12, 10 to the power 12. So this equals to 39.06 into 10 to the power 13. Now in case of division, power will be subtracted. 10 to the power 13 by 10 to the power 12 is 10 to the power 13 minus 12, laws of exponent. So this equals to minus 12 divided by 40.96. 40.96. So So this equals to 39.06 into 10 to the power 1 is 10 divided by 40.96 Newton. Now divide these two. First you have to remove the points. Remove the points. After that 3906 divided by 4096 into 10 Newton. This equals to 0.98 into 10 Newton. This equals to 9.8. After multiplying with 10, you will get 9.8 Newton. This is the case of when the 1 kg of mass held on the surface of Earth. We have to consider in this case, so 1 kg mass is the mass of object and 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg is the mass of Earth, and we have to consider, instead of distance, we have to consider the radius of Earth in this situation. Now last case is when both the bodies are heavy. When number 3 case, when both the bodies are heavy. In this case, we have to consider the mass of Earth and the mass of Moon, because both the bodies are heavy. Mass of Earth. So mass of Earth is equals to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. This is M1. Mass of Earth M1 equals to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. And mass of Moon M2 equals to, M2 is 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Now we have to consider the distance between Earth and Moon. So what is the value? Distance between Earth and Moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. We have to remember all these values. So distance between Earth and Moon, it is represented by R, equals to 3.84. Yes, 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. So value of G will be 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now first you have to put the values in formula. Therefore F equals to G M1 M2 divided by R square. So F equals to, what is the value of G? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now put the values of masses. This equals to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg into 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg divided by R square is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter whole square. Okay. Now separate the whole number and the exponent. This equals to now kg square, kg cancel. So F equals to 6.67 into 6 into 7.4 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 24 into 10 to the power 22 Newton meter square divided by 3.84 into 3.84 into 3.84 into 10 to the power 16 meter square. Now meter square also cancel. So F equals to now multiply 6 7 42 6 7 42 46 6 6 36 40 6 6 36 40 39 40 40 into 7.4 into, in case of multiplication, power at minus 11 plus 24 plus 22 divided by now 3.84 into 3.84 into 3.84 4 4 16 4 8 32 33 4 3 12 13 14 15 now 8 4 32 8 8 64 67 8 3 27 8 3 24 30 3 4 12 3 8 24 25 3 3 9 10 11 so 6 3 2 5 7 5 12 13 14 5 1 6 7 3 1 4 1 now put the decimal 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 14 point this equals to 14.7456 this in Newton. So F equals to again multiply 40.02 6 7 42 6 6 36 40 6 6 36 40 40.02 into 7.4 4 to 8 400 400 44 16 7 to 14 700 1 700 74 28 so this equals to 8 4 1 6 9 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 296 so this equals to 296.148 divided by 14.7456 into 10 to the power now first 24 minus 11 is 13 13 plus 22 is 35 Newton. So after division we will get 2.01 into 10 to the power 35 Newton. Now these are the cases of gravitational force between light objects and heavy objects.